the potion in what I'm sharing with you is it's not only click-through, it's not only freshness, but to achieve the ranking boost and rank higher in Google and to be able to stay there, it's a matter of freshness and CTR. And that's the huge takeaway from today. And welcome, my name is Chris Palmer. If you're brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, I'd like to discuss how we have cracked the code finally on how to get better rankings in Google by utilizing a absolutely phenomenal finding, and I want to share it with you. And what that is applying freshness to rank higher in Google, but not only freshness, but click-through rate, or CTR, along with freshness is the magic to ranking higher in Google. Now, I wanted to point something out because it seems like people are more inclined to pay attention and listen when it's being demonstrated by a person of authority. Okay, what I want to show you is this: if you take a look at Brian Dean's homepage, this is a prime example of what I'm going to be sharing with you. If you take a look at his homepage, this section right here that I've highlighted, this changes every single day, every day. Now, this is an added freshness. We have ran tests, and I know, right? You can run your own tests, but I know that freshness to a page will give a little teeny weeny little bump in the SERP, right? Now, what I have found, all right, and this has just came about, we have been doing some testing. When we first started going, these were the rankings, okay? And I was sharing this part with you because Brian Dean does the freshness. Now, what's great about Brian Dean is he gets the click-through. So we are working with a lawn professional in the United States with a lower search volume, but this isn't someone that's getting hundreds of thousands of clicks. However, if you think about Brian Dean changing his freshness, he is getting click-through. So each and every day, this is maybe automatic or it could be anything, but he's changing this, but along with the CTR, he is able to achieve and receive a boost. Now, as you know, if you have been following me for any bit of time, I shared with you a test that I ran with CTR, with click-through rate. Now, with the CTR, just like freshness doesn't give you the type of boost like CTR will. But what we found, and like I shared with you before, and I've ran other tests since then, CTR will give you an extravagant boost. However, you fall just as fast. But we have cracked the code, I mean, I don't know, to rank higher in Google, and it's the mixture of both. If you can apply let's bring these down to each other here so I can show you. And this is really the result. So we have our before, we have our after, nothing too crazy, but here's why it makes sense. If you're applying the CTR, some click-through rate, things of that nature, what I'm getting at is the potion and what I'm sharing with you is it's not only click-through, it's not only freshness, but to achieve the ranking boost and rank higher in Google and to be able to stay there, it's a matter of freshness and CTR. And that's the huge takeaway from today. I mean, that's all. That's it. That's the video, really. So if you have any questions about any of this, about testing, or if you have any questions at all that could help you rank higher and get more traffic for your website, leave them in the comments below. And I look forward to showing you more testing and more SEO knowledge in the future. You have a great day.